Okay, so here's my 3Doodler 2.0 that I got. They sent me an email saying that it was going to be late, so they would ship free flexi plastic in with it. And here's the front. Here's the left side of the box, just to show what's on it. Not much on the side. Bottom. Top. Okay. Here's the free flexi plastic. It actually is pretty flexible. Okay. Here's the ABS plastic. I didn't get to choose these colors because I pre-ordered it, so this is just what came with it. That's actually clear and clear blue. These are PLA plastics. There's a guide on using it. Quick start guide. The actual pen itself, it feels really light. I know there's a gold version of this, but that was for using spending a certain amount of money on Kickstarter. Found out about it too late. And there's the push rod for when the glue's stuck, a wrench, adapter. I think the one's the temperature control, and this one's just another cover. I'm pretty sure for the bottom. I'll have to check that out because I'm pretty sure it can get clogged right there. And yeah, that's another cover there. So cover, push rod, wrench, and a little double-ended screwdriver. Alright, that's it for now.